Hello friends, welcome. This is the second video of the comparison series. In this video, we'll be comparing Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Realme 6 Pro. We will be comparing in every section like battery, processor, camera, display and price. So let's begin. Realme 6 Pro comes with 4300 mAh of battery with 30-watt flash fast charger which charges the phone within 1 hour. On the other hand, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with 5020 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charger which charges the phone in around 1 hour 15 minutes, which is much more impressive than Realme 6 Pro. Battery backup of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is quite good and better than 6 Pro. And the 33-watt fast charger is also quite amazing. It is one of the only phone which comes with 5020 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charger in this price segment. So Note 9 Pro Max wins over 6 Pro in the battery section. Both the phone comes with the same processor, which is Snapdragon 720G, which would give a good gaming performance. It is quite good with all the other features. You can play hardcore games like PUBG at HD plus high graphics. Processor is quite good and both the phones are equal to one another in performance. Both the phone comes with the quad camera setup. Note 9 Pro Max comes with 64 megapixel plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel camera and with 32 megapixel in-display selfie camera. On the other hand, Realme 6 Pro comes with 64 megapixel plus 12 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel camera and with dual selfie camera which is 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. Well, in rear camera, 6 Pro provides a little better performance than now Note 9 Pro Max, while on the other hand, the 32 megapixel selfie camera of the Note 9 Pro Max seems better than the dual camera of 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel of 6 Pro. So both the phones seems quite almost equal. Note 9 Pro Max comes with 6.67 Full HD Plus display with in-display selfie camera in the middle and comes with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is quite good. On the other hand, 6 Pro comes with 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with dual front camera and comes with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is also quite good. Also, it comes with 90Hz ultra smooth display, which is better and smoother than 60Hz display of Note 9 Pro Max. But I feel the display of Note 9 Pro Max a little more cooler as the camera in the middle, but in refresh rate 6 Pro is better. 6 Pro comes with the lightning design glass back with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5, while Note 9 Pro Max comes with the glass finish with the same Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Both the phone comes with great design and good quality glass back, but 6 Pro seems a more attractive than Note 9 Pro Max as it comes with the lightning design, so 6 Pro seems a more better choice than Note 9 Pro Max in design. Both the phone comes with 3 variants. Note 9 Pro Max comes with 6GB plus 64GB priced at Rs 17,000 and 6GB plus 128GB at Rs 18,500 and 8GB plus 128GB is priced at Rs 20,000 and it comes in 3 colors: Aurora Blue, Glacier White and Interstellar Black. Realme 6 Pro comes in 2 colors, Lightning Blue and Lightning Orange. 6GB plus 64GB is priced at Rs 18,000 and 6GB plus 128GB at Rs 19,000 and 8GB plus 128GB at Rs 20,000. So Note 9 Pro Max seems a little cheaper. So finally, I feel Note 9 Pro Max is more better as it has more battery capacity, that is 5020 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charger, which is very much impressing, and a little cheaper in two variants. And I also like the display very much. So I would prefer Note 9 Pro Max than Realme 6 Pro. Mention your reviews about which would you choose. So thank you. Also, we are upcoming with another giveaway soon. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe.